Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar on the left, and at the very bottom, so just swipe it down, we've got this 16:9 option which is connected with the resolution. So let's simply tap on it, and here we've got 5 different options. So 19 to 9, for example. 16:9 for 4K, 1080p, 720p, and 21:9 for 1080p. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick, for example, this one. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted, and it is shown right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. And this is how to change it for the rear camera, and for the front one it looks the same. Just change the camera to the front. We've got it, and here we've got the same option, so simply tap on it and choose with the option which you'd like to apply. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.